Endothermic and exothermic reactions. In this experiment, we are going to observe an exothermic and an endothermic reaction. To carry out this experiment, you will need the following equipment: a test tube rack, 2 test tubes, 2 thermometers, some water, a spatula, some ammonium chloride, and sodium hydroxide. Half fill both test tubes with water. Place the thermometers into the test tubes and record the temperature of the water in the results table. In this case, the water is at a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Take a spatula of ammonium chloride and add it to the first test tube. Stir using the thermometer. Once the reading on the thermometer settles, record the final temperature. In this case, the final temperature was 17 degrees Celsius. Now take a spatula of sodium hydroxide and add it to the second test tube. Stir again using the thermometer. Once the reading on the thermometer settles, record the temperature in the table. In this case, the temperature went up to 50 degrees Celsius. An exothermic reaction occurs when energy is given off, often as heat, light, or sound. As such, the results indicate that the reaction between sodium hydroxide and water is an exothermic reaction. An endothermic reaction occurs when energy is absorbed by the reacting chemicals. As such, the results indicate that the reaction between ammonium chloride and water is endothermic because the temperature went down. This presentation was brought to you by the Cape Town Science Centre, made possible by the sponsorship of the Western Cape Education Department.